Hi everyone, welcome back with the last Sudoku. It's a tectonic one in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on... it's Tuesday, August the 18th, 2020. The last Sudoku is a tectonic one. So, this one will be number 1, 3, 6, 5 and 1, 3, 6, 5. So let's get started. And I'm scanning. Do we have a single box? No single box. Do we have a dual box? No dual box. Do we have a triple box? Here we have a triple box. The triple box, the 1, 2 and a 3. The 3 is already filled in. So the 3 is already filled in. So these two boxes will be the 1 and the 2. Yeah, the 1 and 2. These two boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes in these two boxes. Together with the 3, because we have a 3 here. So these two boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes there. That means the 1 and the 5 are left. Let me mark them, 1 and the 5. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. That means 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 4 here, so that means these 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. The 4 goes here. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. We have a 4 here, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. We have a 4 here, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. We have a quadra box, 1, 2, 3. And the 4 is already filled in. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then these 3 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Here could be a 4 or there could be a 4. This box cannot be a 3. So 2 boxes left for the 3 here. Or there. 3. Yeah. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes here or goes there. But I see here 2 boxes of 3 marked. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 cannot be here. The 3 should be there. We have a 2 here. So this box cannot be a 2. The 2 goes in these 2 boxes. And look, we have a 1 and a 2. I cannot place the 2 there, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 cannot be here. The 2 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. I cannot place a 4 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 goes there. 1 box left should be the 1. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be the 5. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be the 2. We have a 1 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. The 2 and the 3 are left. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Cannot be a 3. 2 boxes left for the 3 should be here or there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. That means this box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. We have a 1 here. That box cannot be a 1. So 2 boxes left for the 1 should be here or there. Alright. Let me see. The 2 cannot be a 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. This should be 4 or 5. 1, 2, 3. This should be also 4 or 5. We have a pair. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. So 4 and 5 are left. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. So 4 and 5 are left. Up here. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. 2 boxes left in this big area. The 5 and the 2. Let me mark them. 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. This box cannot be a 4. Wait, we have a 3 here. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be the 4. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. So 1 digit left should be the 5. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. We have a 1 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 1 anymore. So the 1 goes here or there. We have a 1 in one of these 2 boxes. That means this box cannot be a 1. So 2 boxes left for the 1 should be here or there. That means this box I cannot place a 1. Otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left. 1, 2, the 3 and the 5. And I cannot place the 5 here. Otherwise I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5, the only place for the 5 should be there. Here goes the 3. Well. This box cannot be a 1. Why not? Because otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 3 boxes. So the 1 should be there. We have a 1 here. That means this box cannot be a 1 anymore. 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here. or could be there. This quarter box, the 1 and the 2 are left. If I place the 1 here, then these 2 boxes I cannot fill with the 1. So this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be the 2. This box should be the 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so it should be the 5. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark them. 2 and a 4. That means that this box cannot be a 2 or a 4, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 1. So 1 digit left should be the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, should be the 5. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes there. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes there. 3 could be everywhere. Alright. We have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark them for you. The 4. Oh, this pencil will break in any moment. 4 and a 5. That means this box can be a 5, cannot be a 5. So the 5 goes to in those 2. We see there 5. This box can be a 5, that box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left should be the 2. We have a 2 here, so these 3 boxes cannot be a 2. The 2 should be in those 2 boxes. Yeah, that means we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be the 5 and this should be the 2. We have a 5 here, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me think. We have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. Yeah, I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, it's a 2. This one should be the 2. So the other 2 boxes as a pair with the 3 and a 5. We have a 2 here, so that means these 3 boxes surrounding 2 cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. It's a 3, definitely. Alright. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 and a 5. We see here 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes and there. That means this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be the 4. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here, and the 5 goes and there. Let me think. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. So one digit left should be the 5. Yeah. The 3 cannot be here. Let me think. 2, 4, 3, 4, 5. 3, 3. We have here, I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. That means that these 2 boxes cannot be a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. Otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there and the 4 goes here. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be the 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here and the 3 goes there. 1, 2, and 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 2 and the 4 are left. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 2. We have a 2 here, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a... Oh, wait. These 3 cannot be a 2. Yeah, I have marked those 2 boxes with a 2. No. It's about the 4. We have a 4 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. The 5, 1, and the 3 are left. We see here 3, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. So the 3 goes together with the 5. As a pair. Oh, my pencil's almost broken. So 1 box left. This should be the 1. 5 and a 3. 5 and a 3. We have a 3 here. No 3 there. This should be the 5. This should be the 3. We have a 3 here. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be the 3. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Great Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you next time tomorrow. Bye bye for now.